Hi brush friends! Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Miya Himi Solid Watercolor Paint Traveling Kit Set. Woo! That was long! Well, these items were sent to me by Artillery Philippines as a gift, but this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to share with you this new watercolor set that I got. Anyways, I will put the link of their shop in the description box below. So let's take a look at each of these one by one. I'm super impressed with the packaging of this Miya Himi watercolor because it feels like a special gift in a box. At the bottom of this box, you will see this label, Solid Watercolor Paint Set, and at the opposite side are drawings which I think are ways on how to take care of this watercolor set. I don't know. There's no translation in English written in here. Same at the back, all you can read are Chinese characters which I really don't understand, but there's the set of 18 colors included in this set. The watercolor set is inside the capsule, which I think is really cute, and it also has a small handle design making it suitable for carrying at home, work, or during vacation to create art. And it comes with a water brush. Inside this barrel or capsule is an envelope that includes 6 small watercolor sheets. Wow, this is amazing. I didn't expect that. Now here's the watercolor set itself that is folded in thirds. It has 3 large mixing spaces at the top cover and another 4 at the bottom. So I tried to put the water brush inside the barrel, but unfortunately it won't fit. I think it would be more awesome if it can also hold the water brush inside to complete the traveling kit set in this pocket. Now let's take a look at these paint brushes. Look at how it's packaged. It would make you feel like you don't want to throw away these boxes, right? The blue box is a set of flat brushes of different sizes with one round brush in it, while the green box is a set of round brushes. I don't usually use 2 large round brushes, but I will try this later. There's no label of colors here in the palette, so I'm not really sure about the names of each color included in this set, but I am surprised about how vibrant the colors are, and I even see some colors that I think I don't have on my previous watercolor palettes. Time to put this watercolor set into action. I'll be using the Miya Himi watercolor paper that is also given to me, but this one doesn't look the same as what's included in the capsule. You can see the difference in texture. The one inside the envelope has a rough texture compared to this one, which might be smooth in texture. Let's see how good this paper is because I really like the paper that comes in the watercolor set itself. I'll be painting really simple flower bouquet using this size 9 Miya Himi round paintbrush. I just prepared the palettes with water so that I can mix color well in here. I like the texture of the mixing space because it's not like the usual plastic palette that I already have. It feels like it has a matte finish, making it easier to mix colors, and it also helps avoid beading of paint. As I said earlier, this paper is different from what's included in the capsule. Honestly, I don't like it that much because it dries out the paint easily and makes the wet-on-wet technique a little harder to do. On the other hand, the colors blend easily when you combine them on the mixing wells, so I guess if you want to mix colors together, do that before putting the paint into the paper since the paper cannot hold too much water. In terms of the vibrancy of colors, this watercolor set passed my standard. I'm not a professional watercolor artist, so all my thoughts here are based on my personal opinion and likings when it comes to art supplies. If you're looking for a watercolor set that you can bring for travel, then you might want to check Miya Himi Watercolor Set. It's not as good as the artist grade ones if you're thinking of selling your paintings, but for practice, this is already good enough. Let me know if you've also tried this watercolor set in the comment section below. Thanks for watching!